Bafethu, according to multiple reports, Cape Town City have offered Mamelodi Sundowns all these 4 youngsters for a combined fee of 60 million rands. But my main question is that where will they fit into the Mamelodi Sundowns squad, considering their positions and their ages? With regards to positions, let's start with Emil Witboy. Emil Witboy can play as a left winger and an attacking midfielder, which means now he'll have to compete with Tashrik Matthews on that left wing position, and then he'll have to compete with the likes of Themba Zwane, Neo Maema, and Jaden Adams on that attacking midfield role. Now, with regards to Jaden Rhodes is a right winger, so we'll have to compete with Lucas Ribeiro, who will be the favorite player to play on that right flank of Mamelodi Sundowns. So that means that he'll have a difficult competition with Ribeiro. Now, with regards to Ashene and Shaquille April, they are young, and considering that Mamelodi Sundowns have their own youngsters who are still trying to find their feet and who are still trying to make their breakthrough in the Mamelodi Sundowns regular starting 11, how much more for them? The likes of Kutla Lorihlako and Siyabonga Mapena, they are still trying to make a breakthrough into the Mamelodi Sundowns starting 11. Now, how much more for them? Shaquille April and Jody Ashene. But we'll see ekuhambeni kwexesha if Mamelodi Sundowns decides to sign them, uba izawubabeka phi loo nto into isquad seSundowns xa isizini seyiqalile.